Is it safe to visit Thailand? This question is arising among all the travelers as tourism across Southeast Asia has been shaken literally and figuratively after a powerful earthquake struck Myanmar on Friday, March 28, 2025, sending tremors ripping into neighboring Thailand. The seismic shockwaves prompted Bangkok governor to declare the Thai capital a disaster area, launching emergency protocols, evacuations, and infrastructure assessments. The incident has triggered immediate concerns for tourist safety, flight operation, and the continuity of Thailand's tourism sector, particularly as the country prepares for the bustling Songkran travel season. Thailand's travel industry, just beginning to rebound from years of pandemic-related setbacks, now faces an unanticipated economic blow. March and April are typically peak periods for international arrivals, with Songkran Thai New Year drawing millions. However, tremors, safety concerns, and transportation disruptions may now lead to a decline in last-minute bookings. The Foreign Office advised and alerted tourists that there may be aftershocks. For tourists currently in Thailand or planning trips, experts advise checking real-time updates from the Tourism Authority of Thailand, airlines, hotels, and embassies. Travelers should reconfirm hotel bookings, avoid high-rise stays if possible, and remain updated on aftershock warnings. While hospitals across Bangkok were reported to be operating normally, travelers should still identify the nearest medical facility and be aware of evacuation routes in their lodging area. Safety is paramount when traveling, encompassing various aspects from personal security to health and well-being, ensuring a positive and enjoyable experience. Hence, plan your trips carefully and keep in mind the following points if you have already booked your trip or wish to plan a trip to Thailand. If you are concerned about an upcoming trip to Thailand and booked with a travel agent or tour, research about the destination, learn about the types of natural disaster the area is prone to, and always have a close watch on the local news. Purchase a travel insurance. Ensure your policy covers natural disaster related expenses and includes emergency assistance services. Check with your hotel or accommodation. Inquire about their disaster preparedness plan and evacuation procedures. Consider refundable tickets. If possible, book refundable airline tickets or accommodation to allow for flexibility in case of cancellation or evacuations. Have cash on hand. Power outages can disrupt credit card and ATM access, so keep some cash readily available. Have emergency contact information readily available. Carry a list of emergency contact numbers, including local authorities, embassy, or consulate contact details, numbers of your loved ones back home.